Alright, you want to go ahead and stop it and reverse it?
Okay. And the nice thing when these were first made, reversing was all mechanical. And then later you could do it from a transformer. And each year it got more sophisticated. Now you can run them by a computer and stuff like that.
Okay. So is this one, you have to manually switch it?
It's a manual, yeah.
Okay. Alright, well that's good, and it's got some good speed and holds onto the track well.
Yeah, and I'm running it fairly slow.
That's running slow right now? Okay.
Yeah, any AC motor from that era, they're a little slow when you first start them up, a little cold. As they get warmer and you drag your feet in a little bit, then they run better.
Okay.
But yeah, that's a good tracker and a good puller.
Alright, well good. I think that'll give everybody a pretty good idea. We can shut her down now.
Okay. Don't want me to hit anything, huh?
No.
I know.